Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
Forgot iPhone passcode how to unlock without losing data. So here I'm going to teach you. Here we're going to teach you how to unlock your forgotten iPhone passcode and how to unlock it without losing some data. So here I'm going to give you all the options that you can do. So the hard truth, no bypass without data loss. Yep, there you go. That's the hard truth. Apple security model is built to protect users' data. If you can't remember the passcode, the official approach requires erasing the device to remove the lock. Erasing is the only supported way to regain access when locked out. Without a backup, erased data cannot be recovered. Source app support and Apple community guidance. Why does Apple erase your data? Privacy first. Erasing prevents unauthorized access to personal data even if the device falls into the wrong hands. Security by design. Hardware encryption ties data access to passcode. Removing it without erasing would defeat encryption. And intentional features. This behavior is deliberate. It's a protective measure, not a software bug. Official Apple method, reset passcode on iOS 15.2 plus. If your iPhone runs on iOS 15.2 plus or later, you remember your Apple ID credentials, you can erase the passcode from the lock screen without computer and keep your data. Requires Apple ID and password. Device must be online, Wi-Fi or secure to contact Apple service. This flow is designed to erase only the passcode while preserving users' data. Step by step reset passcode on iPhone iOS 15.2 plus. Trigger erase. After multiple failed attempts, tap erase iPhone on the bottom right of the lock screen prompt. Authenticate. Sign in with your Apple ID and password to confirm the erase action. Device prepares, so the iPhone will remove the passcode and complete the process while preserving your data if Apple ID authentication succeeds. And number 4, set new password after completion. Follow on screen setup to choose a new passcode and re-enable face/touch ID. So if you don't have iOS 15.2 or Apple ID access, when the on-device erase option isn't available or you don't remember Apple ID credential, the official route is recovery mode. Plus, restore via a computer, connect a Mac or a Windows PC with Finder or iTunes, put iPhone into recovery mode and restore. This erase all data. Data can only be recovered from existing iCloud or computer backup. So using third-party tools, what to know? So third-party unlock tools exist and advertise passcode removal without iTunes. They can help but proceed carefully. Effectiveness varies by iOS version and device model. Risks here are scams, malware, and unexpected data loss or device breaking. And always verify reputable vendors and read reviews and understand refund/support policies. How to protect your data going forward, regular backups, secure your Apple ID, and alternative unlocks like a face or a touch ID as convenient. Secure fallbacks but still maintain a memorable numeric passcode. In summary, what can you do and cannot do? Key takeaway to remember: when facing forgotten password without Apple ID or iOS 15.2 plus, you cannot remove password without erasing. If you have backup, restoring after erasing preserves data recovery option. Trusted third-party tools may help but risky. Research truly. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys liked the video because you enjoyed. If you have any more questions, just type it in the comment section below and we'll be happy to answer you guys, and thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.